Okay, let's begin. Abrir. Abrir means to open. Voy a abrir la puerta. I'm going to open the door. No puedes abrir ese frasco. No puedes abrir ese frasco. You can't open that jar. Abre los ojos y mira. Abre los ojos y mira. Open your eyes and look. Bailar, bailar means to dance. Me encanta bailar salsa. Me encanta, me encantar bailar. Me encanta bailar salsa. Ellos van a bailar en la fiesta. Aprendimos a bailar tango. Then calentar. Calentar means to heat up, right? To warm. Voy a calentar la sopa. Voy a calentar la sopa. Calienta el café antes de tomarlo. Calienta el café antes de tomarlo. Es importante calentar antes de hacer ejercicio. It's important to do warm up before exercising. Great. Next word. Dar. Dar means to give. Te voy a dar un regalo. Te voy a dar un regalo. I'm going to give you a gift. Dale un abrazo a tu mamá. Dale un abrazo a tu mamá. Ella siempre me da buenos consejos. Ella siempre me da buenos consejos. She always gives me a good advice. Next word, embarcar. To embark, to board. Vamos a embarcar en el crucero. Vamos a embarcar en el crucero. We are going to board the cruise. El avión está listo para embarcar. The plane is ready to be boarded. Like that. Debemos llegar temprano para embarcar sin problemas. Debemos llegar temprano para embarcar sin problemas. We must arrive early to board without issues. Okay, that's all for this video. Just repeat the same drill, pause the video, pronounce the words on your own, right? And make sure you watch them in order, right? Part 1, part 2, part 3, like that. Like, do let me know in the comments then how is it, and then I will keep making videos as and when I get time, right? Keep watching, keep practicing. The more you practice, the more you make sentences on your own, the more helpful it will be for you to you. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.